Hello everyone, what's up? It's Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have two really awesome models that I'm really looking forward to. We have two Panda models, 767-400s from United. We've got the Star Alliance and we've got the new Evo Blue livery. Yep. Finally got some more 767s. Obviously got the Gemini Jet 767-400 in the old Continental Globe livery. And now I've got the Panda models here, complete in the collection. We've got the Star Alliance bird and we've got the Evo Blue. That's really all it is for United. They've got the old, the new, and the Star Alliance. So we're super excited to have these. And let's get right on into it. So I decided to do this as a double because they're both United aircraft. I actually have three. I got the three Panda models ones. There's a Delta 76 that you guys will see in another video. But yeah, so let's get on into it with these two United aircraft. We're going to start with the Evo Blue, and then we'll get to the Star Alliance after. So I'm going to put that off to the side for now. Let's take a look here. So here we have the box looking really, really nice. This is November 66056. Great job in the box art, Panda, kind of like an NG style. So yeah, really excited to have this. Well, let's open it up, take a look. I have not checked this out at all. There we have it. Ooh, all right. There we have it, looking fantastic. That popped right on off. Ooh, all right, there we go. So if I do remember correctly, this is a new mold for them, and I gotta say, so far, I'm loving what I'm seeing. This looks amazing. Yeah, look at that. Wow, what a sharp looking aircraft. All right, well, let's get right on into the details here. Starting off with the cockpit area, great details around here. The shape. All the good details here. Star Alliance logo, the little saying. Gear door. Gear looking really, really nice. L1 door. Great details all around that. Looking fantastic. Ooh, a little bit of dust. United titles looking really, really nice. A little L2 door there. Got the antennas. Very nice. Some more bits of fuzz. Yeah, looking really, really nice. So lots of great detail all around. Got the engines here looking really nice. Good detail on the inside there as well. The wings looking very nice. Love the sharp point on the 764 wings. Looking really, really nice. Appears there's a little bit of there, but yeah, really, really nice looking on the wings. Nothing crazy, no crazy details. There's no wing exit markings, as we have the emergency exit right there. Moving it back, you got the Wi-Fi dome there and some more antennas. Registration, American flag, and a little 0056 there next to the L4 door. And you got the bulk bin door right there. Got the Evo Blue globe tail looking really nice. Horizontal stabilizer and APU hole looking great as well. Beautiful looking aircraft. I am super happy and excited to have this. This looks, honestly, I'd say it's probably, I mean, it's not terrible. Sorry, the Gemini just isn't terrible, but this one, I don't know, I feel like this one just looks better. It's probably because the livery just looks better, I don't know, than the blue. But yeah, we got the cargo door there. Same great details all around on this side. Same on this side, and you have the smaller cargo door there. Obviously, with the bulk bid being on the other side, they don't need it on this side. So that's really it in terms of this, the details on this side. But everything else is the same. Looks fantastic. Taking a look, top-down view. Very nice. The bottom, plain and simple. The gear looks great. I'm very happy with that. Not really. There's one antenna really on the bottom there, and that's about it. There's nothing else. But yeah, looking very nice. Very happy to have this model. It's a great looking aircraft and excited for it to join the collection. So we're going to push this off to the side and we're going to go ahead and bring in the Star Alliance one. So here it is. I need to readjust the camera briefly. So here we have it, 767-400. Looking really nice. This is November 76055. And this is obviously the Inner Star Alliance. I love the box. Looks great. Let's go take a look at it now. Alright. There we have it. Really nice. There's something about the 764. It is a fantastic aircraft. I've never flown on one. I'd love to. There's really just United and Delta that have them. That's about it. So, need to try and get my chance with it here soon. All right, here we go. All right, let's just take a look at it. Looks clean and everything. All right, just the camera here. Here we have the aircraft. Very, very nice looking. All right, starting off at the front. Nose and everything looking fantastic. Gear door, good detail there and everything in the gear as well. Star Alliance logo. And then obviously a little one door United logo, smaller in black. Big, beautiful Star Alliance title. Very nice. Good details though, two door. And you got the antennas and everything. Engines and the wings looking very nice as per like the same with the other one. Registration, American flag, and 005 on the back there. Star Alliance logo there on the tail. Looking very nice. All black. And this side, it's really the same thing. You got the cargo doors. And the bulk bin door was on the other side. So looking fantastic. Alright, here we have the bottom. There's no Star Alliance logo on the bottom or anything. But there's some good detail as always. And same with the top down view. Nothing crazy. So that's it for this one. I mean, beautiful, beautiful looking aircraft though. Long boy, that's for sure. But very excited to have both of these in the collection. So let's see if I can't get a shot where we have these two beautiful aircraft on display right here in front. Actually, we'll just turn this around so they can face each other. And there we have it. Absolute beauties of aircraft. Fantastic models. Panda Models has done a great job with this. I do believe it is their mold. I can't, because I know we have, I think we have NG. Obviously, Gentleman Justice has got the 764 mold now. NG, I think, is doing one. And Panda now has got theirs, unless this is like with JC. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that this mold is fantastic. These models look absolutely amazing. And I'm super excited to check out the Delta one here in another video that you guys will see soon. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.